Hello students, here is a practical for 9th standard and the subject is Science and Technology Part 2. The first experiment is study of different plants. To classify, draw and study the characteristics of different plants, we have compound microscope, a dissecting microscope, a magnifying lens, permanent mount of Spirogyra, Funaria, Agaricus, Nephrolepis, Pinus, and periwinkle specimens. The first plant is an alga known as Spirogyra from the kingdom Plantae and division Thallophyta. So Spirogyra is a green alga. It has a filamentous body consisting of cylindrical cells joined end to end. Each cell has a single nucleus and one or more spirally arranged chloroplasts. The nucleus is seen suspended by delicate cytoplasmic strands to the center of the vacuole. Each chloroplast is provided with a number of rounded refractive bodies called pyrenoids. Around each pyrenoid, starch is stored in the form of granules. So identifying features of Thallophyta. First is simple, soft, thread-like body, undifferentiated into root, stem and leaves, that is thallus. And second feature is aquatic plant with autotrophic mode of nutrition. Second plant is mushroom, example is agaricus from the kingdom Plantae and division fungi. The mushroom has an aerial fleshy umbrella-like body which is the fruiting body of the fungus which shows fructification. It is also known as basidiocarp. The basidiocarp consists of a fleshy stalk called stipe and an umbrella-like head called pileus. From the undersurface of the pileus suspend a large number of radially arranged vertical plate-like structures called gills. The gills bear spores called basidiospores. The basidiospores on germination give rise to new mushroom plants. Identifying features of fungi. First is non-green heterotrophic organisms. Saprophytes as they use dead and decaying organic matter as their food. Third plant is Funaria moss from the kingdom Plantae division Bryophyta. Characteristics of the Funaria are the plant body of the moss is differentiated into rhizoids, stem-like axis and leaves but no true roots. Instead of roots, it bears a number of fine thread-like structures arising from the base of the stem. These are called rhizoids. Moss plant bears a long, slender structure called seta, bearing a pear-shaped capsule at its tip. The capsule produces asexual reproductive bodies called spores. Identifying features of Bryophyta. First feature is shade-loving autotrophic amphibious plants, and the second one is plant body without true roots, stem and leaves. Instead of roots, there are rhizoids which function as roots. Fourth plant is Nephrolepis fern from the kingdom Plantae division Pteridophyta. So this is Boston fern. The plant body is differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Fibrous roots arise from both rhizome and stolon. Rhizome is a hard, woody underground stem. Stolons are green wire-like branches which grow horizontally on the surface of the soil. Leaves are pinnately compound. A dark colored petiole is called as stipe and an axis is as rachis. The rachis bears pinnae in two rows, one on either side. The leaflet is sessile with acute apex. Ferns reproduce with the help of spores formed along the back or posterior surface of their leaves. So identifying features of Pteridophyta are: first is plant body is differentiated into root, stem and leaves. And second is vascular tissues are present in pteridophytes. Some more ferns used as ornamental plants in garden are: first is blue star fern, Plevodium aureum, and another one is lemon button fern, Nephrolepis cordifolia. The fifth plant is Pinus or pine tree from the divisions Spermatophyta and subdivision Gymnosperms. So this is Picea tree. We know it as Christmas tree. Another example of gymnosperms is a cycas plant. This is fully grown cycas tree, and this is the male cone of the cycas revoluta. These are the female cone and male cone of Pinus. Characteristics of pines. First is pines are conifer trees belonging to genus Pinus. They are evergreen, coniferous, and resinous trees growing 3 to 80 meter tall. Pines have four types of leaves as seed leaves, juvenile leaves, scale leaves, and needles. Pines have male and female cones on the same tree. At maturity, female cones open and release seeds. Male cones are smaller and they shed pollens. The pine reproduces sexually. Pines are commercially important trees which are valued for timber and wood pulp. Identifying features of gymnosperms are: first, perennial evergreen plants with needle-like leaves. Second, plants bear naked seeds as they do not form fruits. The most familiar plant periwinkle, that is Catharanthus. Catharanthus belongs to division Spermatophyta and the subdivision Angiosperms. Characteristics are: the plant body of Catharanthus is differentiated into roots, stem and leaves. It is an evergreen herbaceous plant. Leaves are oval to oblong, glossy green and hairless. The flowers are white to dark pink with a darker red center. It is an ornamental plant and also cultivated for herbal medicine. Identifying features of angiosperms are: first is seeds are enclosed in fruits, and second, plants bear flowers as reproductive organs.